is a baby girl's name. Adugo. Adaugo is girls. Adaugo. Adugo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queens TV. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. In this channel, I speak Igbo language. I bring you the Igbo language. I teach you as a learner. I teach you how to speak Igbo. Everything about this channel is Igbo. We don't speak any other language in this channel, if not Igbo language. Or in case you're married to an Igbo man, or you're married to an Igbo woman, or you guys are Igbo and you don't know the name to give your child in Igbo language, I'm going to be bringing it to you. So guys, let's go. Adanne is a baby girl's name. Adanne. Adanne. I'm only going to be calling their names, so you'll be writing it down. Adaeze, also a girl, is also a baby girl's name. Adaeze. Adaeze. Adego. Ego is money. Adego. Adaego. Adaako. Adaako. Adaako is a baby girl's name. Amaka. Amaka is a baby girl's name. Amaka. Amaka. Amarachi. Amarachi. Amarachi is a baby girl's name. Adaobi. Adaobi is a baby girl's name. Adaobi. Chiasoka. Chiasoka. Chiasoka is a baby girl's. Angole is a baby girl's name. Angole. Angole. Angoleka. Angole. Angoleka. Chimamaka. Chimamaka is a baby girl's name. Chimamaka. Chimamaka is a baby girl's name too. Chimamaka. Chidera is a baby girl's name. Chidera. Chidera. Chidera is a baby girl's name. Adolisa. Adolisa is a baby girl's name. Adaolisa. Adaolisa. Chidimma. Chidimma is a baby girl's name. Chidimma. Chidimma. Ndidi. Patient. Ndidi is a baby girl's name. That's patient. Chioma. 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 Chioma is a baby girl's name. Chioma. Ngozi. Blessings. Ngozi. Ngozi, that's blessing. Ngozi. Aponawu. Aponawu. Aponawu is a girl's name. Aponawu. But it's not popular. Not everybody bear this name. This one is not popular, but the name is very, very sweet. Aponawu. You don't go inside the sun. You can't go in the sun. Aponawu. Omanechanwa. Aponawu is a girl's name. Nneka. Nneka is a girl's name. Nneka. Nneka is a girl's name. Azuka is a girl's name. Azuka is a girl's name. Azuka. Azuka. Chetachi. Chetachi is a girl's name. Chetachi. Chetachi. Chetachuku. Chetachuku. Chetachineke. Remember God. Chetachi. Remember God. Chiachogomumma. This one is very long. Chiachogomumma is also a girl's name. Chiachogomumma. Chimachogomumma. Chiachogomumma. God has made me beautiful. God has made me beautiful. Chiachogomumma. Chibozo is a girl's name. Some men answer this name. Chibozo is for both boys and girls. Some boys answer this name, some girls answer this name. Chibuzo. Chiagozie is a girl's name. Some boys also answer this name. Chiagozie is for both boys and girls. Chiagozie. Chibundo. God is life. Chibundo is girl's name. Some boys answer this name, but not popular with boys. Chibundo is for both boys and girls. Chibundo. Chinonso. Chinonso, both boys and girls. Chinonso, both boys and girls. Chinonso. Chidubem. This one's also for boys and girls. Chidubem. Chidubem. Chinansa. Chinasara moku. Chimnasara moku. God answers me. Chinansa. This is girl's name. It's for girls. So guys, we are going to stop this video. If you like and enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. You will see that red button. Just click it and subscribe. Like, share with your friends. Also share with your family. And remain blessed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.